Above us every night, stretching across the sky like a river of light, lies our cosmic home, the Milky Way Galaxy. It is a vast island of stars, dust, and mystery, containing the history of our universe and the story of our existence. Tonight, we journey deep into this magnificent structure to uncover how it formed, what it contains, and why it matters. For thousands of years, humans have looked up at this glowing band with wonder and questions. Only recently have we begun to understand its true scale and complexity. Welcome to Top 10 Explorer, where we explore the wonders that shape our universe. Today, we step inside the galaxy we call home. This is not just a journey through space, but through time itself. Every star we see carries a story billions of years old. What is the Milky Way? The Milky Way is a barred spiral galaxy containing over 100 billion stars, including our own Sun. It stretches roughly 100,000 light-years across, yet is just one of trillions of galaxies in the observable universe. When we see the Milky Way glowing across the night sky, we are actually looking along the dense plane of our galaxy's disk. That soft glow is made of countless stars packed tightly together. It is a reminder that we live inside the galaxy we observe. Our solar system lies in one of its spiral arms far from the center, giving us a quiet place to evolve. From this peaceful corner, humanity has begun to map the structure of its galactic home. Advanced telescopes now allow us to see through cosmic dust that once hid its secrets. With each discovery, our understanding of the Milky Way becomes clearer. Structure of the galaxy. The Milky Way has three main components: a central bulge, a flat rotating disk, and a vast halo surrounding it. Each part plays a critical role in shaping the galaxy's behavior. Together, they create the elegant spiral structure we observe. At the center lies Sagittarius, a supermassive black hole with a mass 4,000,000 times that of the Sun. Orbiting this center are swirling spiral arms rich with gas, dust, and newborn stars. These arms are stellar nurseries where stars are constantly being born. The halo contains ancient stars and mysterious dark matter, forming an invisible skeleton holding the galaxy together. Birth and evolution. The Milky Way formed more than 13 billion years ago, shortly after the Big Bang. Over time, gravity pulled gas and dust together, igniting stars and shaping spiral arms. This process unfolded slowly across cosmic timescales. The galaxy we see today is the result of countless generations of stars. Smaller galaxies collided and merged with it, contributing stars and material. This slow evolution continues today. The Milky Way is still forming stars and will one day merge with the neighboring Andromeda galaxy, reshaping both forever. This future collision will dramatically alter the night sky for any civilizations that exist then. A galaxy full of planets. Astronomers now believe the Milky Way may host hundreds of billions of planets. Many orbit stars within the so-called habitable zone, where liquid water could exist. Some of these planets may resemble Earth in size and composition. Others may be completely alien worlds unlike anything we've imagined. This raises profound questions. Are we alone? Or is life scattered across the galaxy, waiting to be discovered? Missions like Kepler and James Webb are helping us search for distant worlds and signs of life beyond Earth. Each discovery brings us closer to answering one of humanity's oldest questions: the invisible universe. Only about 5% of the Milky Way is made of ordinary matter. The rest consists of dark matter and dark energy, unseen forces shaping its structure. Though invisible, their influence is undeniable. They govern how galaxies form, move, and evolve. Dark matter forms massive halos around galaxies, preventing them from flying apart. Without it, the Milky Way would not exist in its current form. Scientists are still searching for what dark matter truly is. Solving this mystery could revolutionize our understanding of physics, humanity's place in the Milky Way. Our sun completes one orbit around the galactic center every 125 million years a galactic year. Since Earth formed, it has completed fewer than 25 such orbits. This means our planet is still relatively young in galactic terms. Life on Earth occupies only a brief moment in the Milky Way's history. From our small planet, we have learned to measure stars, map nebulae, and listen for cosmic signals. Each discovery reminds us that we are both insignificant and extraordinary. We are made of the same elements forged in ancient stars. In studying the galaxy, we are studying our own origins. The future of the Milky Way. In about 4 billion years, the Milky Way will collide with Andromeda. Rather than destruction, this slow-motion dance will create a new galaxy. The event will unfold over millions of years. From Earth, the sky would be filled with dramatic streams of stars. Stars will rarely collide, but their orbits will change forever. Our galaxy is not static, it is alive, evolving across cosmic time. Galaxies grow, merge, and transform just like living systems. The Milky Way's story is far from over. The Milky Way is more than a collection of stars. It is our origin story written in light, gravity, and time. Every atom in our bodies was forged within ancient stars. We are, quite literally, children of the galaxy. As we explore deeper into its spiral arms, we uncover not only the universe, but ourselves. Each discovery deepens our connection to the cosmos. If you enjoyed this journey through our galactic home, hit like, comment, and subscribe to Top 10 Explorer. And join us as we continue exploring the mysteries of space. Until next time, keep exploring.